use the tape, how to apply the tape. I have seen many people, what they do is they remove the backing paper like this. Okay, don't do that. Very unprofessional. Take the tape, almost 3 to 4 fingers width you have to take for the anchor. Okay, this part will be the anchor for the tape. So at least 3 to 4 fingers width you have to take. Over there, tear it. Tear the backing paper like this. This is known as the backing paper. Okay, so tear it this way. So when you pull it, backing paper will come out on its own. Okay, you don't have to peel it off. Right? Now, what you will do is, now say for example, he has got bicep strain. Okay, so if he is having bicep strain, then what I'll be doing? I'll be inhibiting it. Okay, so for inhibition, what I have to do? I have to start from the cubital fossa and go up till here. Right? So there will be no stretch at the anchor. At anchor, it will be without any stretch. So what you will do? Just apply it. Remove the backing paper this way softly. Apply it. Okay. So almost 3 to 4 fingers width is the anchor, and I have not stretched it. No stretching. Now, peel it off. Always hold the tape this way. Okay, never hold it this way, because it will be stretching the whole tape unevenly if you are pulling it this way. So always grab it this way. Okay, now at the anchor you will stabilize the tape. How to decide the stretch? 100%, okay, 50%, 25%, 20%, right? Repeating. 100%, 50%, 25%, 20%. Now you will just lay it over the muscle and end it again without stretch.